Are you tired of spending endless hours in the kitchen waiting for your meals to be ready? Electric pressure cookers are here to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's take a look at the 5 best electric pressure cookers and discover how they can transform your cooking routine. Number 5. Presto 12-Toe Digital Pressure Canner. The Presto 12-Toe Digital Pressure Canner is designed for those who want to preserve their own food at home with ease and efficiency. With its 12-quart capacity, this model allows for canning small batches of fruits, vegetables, meats, and soups, which is ideal for individuals or smaller households. It features an easy-to-use digital control panel with preset functions for various foods like tomatoes, meat, and poultry, ensuring consistent results every time. The canner's automatic pressure control system helps maintain the correct pressure for safety and performance, while the built-in safety valve ensures that pressure does not exceed safe limits. Additionally, it includes an automatic shutoff feature when the cycle is complete. This model may not have the multifunctionality of some other electric pressure cookers, but it is a top-tier choice for anyone focused solely on canning. Number 4. Instant Pot Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker is a compact, highly functional appliance that combines 7 different cooking functions in one device, making it a kitchen powerhouse. With its 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for small families, singles, or anyone who wants to quickly prepare meals without taking up much counter space. The multifunctional design includes pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, yogurt making, sautéing, steaming, and warming. It uses 700 watts of power, ensuring that your meals cook fast and evenly. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and non-stick, making both cooking and cleanup simple. Its easy-to-use interface features one-touch cooking options and a customizable timer, allowing you to cook a variety of meals with minimal effort. The appliance also has a keep warm function, keeping your food at the perfect serving temperature. Number 3. COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile, multifunctional appliance perfect for families and home cooks who want to save time in the kitchen. Boasting a large 8-quart capacity, it can handle bigger batches of food. Whether you're cooking for a family or prepping meals for the week, it features 9 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, rice cooking, steaming, and more, allowing you to create a wide range of dishes with ease. The 1100-watt power ensures that your meals cook quickly while maintaining a high level of consistency. One of the standout features of this model is its ceramic-coated inner pot, which ensures even heat distribution, prevents food from sticking, and is non-stick for easy cleanup. The LED touchscreen display is intuitive and allows for easy navigation of the settings, even for beginners. Number 2. Presto Pressure Canner and Cooker. The Presto 01781 Pressure Canner and Cooker offers a significant advantage for those who need both a pressure cooker and a canner in one appliance. With its impressive 23-quart capacity, it is perfect for large-scale canning projects, allowing you to preserve large quantities of food such as vegetables, meats, and poultry. The heavy-duty aluminum construction provides excellent heat distribution and ensures durability for years of use. It also features a pressure regulator that helps maintain consistent pressure, allowing for precise cooking and canning. The locking lid system and safety valves provide peace of mind during operation, while the large canning capacity is great for preserving larger batches of food. This model is more geared toward those who want to do serious canning but still works as a regular pressure cooker for meals like soups, stews, and beans. Number 1. Nuwave Electric Pressure Cooker. The Nuwave Duet Air Fryer, Electric Pressure Cooker, and Grill Combo is the ultimate all-in-one appliance for those looking for versatility and convenience. Combining 3 cooking functions, air frying, pressure cooking, and grilling, it simplifies your kitchen by replacing multiple appliances. The 6-quart capacity is large enough for families or meal prepping but compact enough to fit comfortably on most countertops. This appliance features a 1500-watt motor, ensuring fast cooking times and energy efficiency. It includes 540 preset programs, which make it incredibly easy to prepare a variety of dishes, from crispy fried chicken to tender roasts, all with minimal effort. The touchscreen display is intuitive, allowing you to select settings with a simple tap, and it provides precise temperature control for all cooking methods. With so many incredible options on the market, choosing the right electric pressure cooker has never been easier. Our top picks offer the perfect balance of speed, efficiency, and versatility, helping you prepare delicious meals in less time. Enjoy effortless cooking like never before.